Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 official teaser is out. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all are doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 prices are also out for the European market, and the bad news is it is more expensive than the last year's Z Flip 3. And you can expect the Z Flip 4 a refined version of a Z Flip 3. Samsung is going to unveil Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 on August 10th along with Z Fold 4, Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Buds. And here is the teaser where Samsung uploaded this on official website sharing the release date and time. And in this teaser we can see a Z Flip 4 in a Bora purple color and shiny side of Z Flip 4. But this looks more like a Z Flip 3 from the last year. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below. Are you guys willing to get a Z Flip 4 and you guys own the Z Flip 3? Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 prices are out by European retailer ahead of its launch, where we see Z Flip 4 a bit more expensive than a Z Flip 3, and there are 3 models of a Z Flip 4. 1080 euros for 128 gigs of storage, 1158 euros for 256 gigs of storage, 1275 euros for 512 gigs of storage, and even the base model is a bit expensive than the last generation. Ice Universe shared an image of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 in a display telling Z Flip 4 has not changed much, just a Snapdragon Gen 1 Plus with a smaller crease and better bezels. Other than that, Z Flip 4 is just like its previous generation and its successor Z Flip 3. The colors of a Z Flip 4 are also leaked, where we see black or gray, blue, purple and rose gold. And yes, Samsung will also offer bespoke edition to Z Flip 4 as well, so you can order the Z Flip 4 with custom color combination from Samsung's official website. The outer display on Z Flip 4 will be 2.1 inches, whereas last time it was only 1.9 on Z Flip 3. Other than this, Samsung only changed the hinge on Z Flip 4 with a less gap between two displays by folded, and Samsung added 3700 mAh battery on the Z Flip 4 instead of 3300 mAh on Z Flip 3. And the cameras are still the same, which will be the downside for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, because over $1000 phone will only give you a 12 megapixel main lens is not fair at all. And if you own a Z Flip 3, then Z Flip 4 will not be a big update to you. But if you need a bigger battery and a new processor, then you can go for the Z Flip 4. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below. Are you guys willing to get a Z Flip 4 and do you guys own a Z Flip 3? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.